Hello everyone, we're going to talk you through the basics of cutting and trimming videos in Premiere Pro. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up your skills, this guide will help you get more comfortable with editing your footage efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your project in Premiere Pro. You'll notice the interface is divided into two different panels. The timeline at the bottom, where most of magic happens, and the program monitor at the top, where you preview your clips. To get started, import your footage by going to File and select Import. You can also simply drag and drop your clips directly into the project panel. Select the razor tool from the toolbar or press C on your keyboard. With the razor tool selected, click on the point in the timeline where you want to cut your clip. You'll notice that your clip is split into two parts. If you want to undo this cut, press Ctrl Z. Once you've made your cuts and trims, feel free to move the clips around in the timeline to adjust timing, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing!